How to make a Tetrastix. First, 6 sticks are bundled with rubber bands. Next, 3 sticks are inserted under 2 sticks of the first bundle. Then, 3 more sticks are placed into the first bundle. And the 6 new rods are bound with rubber bands. Now, 1 stick is inserted perpendicular to the 2 bundles, between the rows of 2 and 3 rods. Another stick is then added between the rows of 2 and the rows of 3. The last 4 sticks are placed on each side of the rows of 2, between the rows of 3. And rubber bands are placed on the last 6 rods. This Tetrastix is now complete.